Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm in Bay Area and standing right next to the Half Moon Bay Bridge. And you can see there's some awesome flowers here. This bridge is a very long bridge. It connects the East Bay to the North Bay, or yeah, you can say North or West Bay. Basically the Fremont area, Fremont, Hayward, Union City, Newmark area to San Mateo, Foster City area. And this is the bridge you take to go to the airport if you're coming from East Bay. The airport is right next to the bay in San Mateo. And you can actually see there's a plane landing here right now. That's the plane just going to the San Francisco airport. Let me see if I can capture another view. Landing the airport stopping you guys earlier about, which is the San Francisco airport right next to the bay. Again guys, this is the Half Moon Bay Bridge. It connects the East Bay. It's a very long bridge, and mostly it's at the level of the bay itself. Only here, you can see here, it's higher for the boats and the ships to cross. Otherwise, it's almost at the level of the bay. It's enormous. It's the feature of engineering, quite a feature of engineering. That's the Bishop House on the east side, East Bay. There's another plane landing. The San Francisco airport is one of the busiest airports on the West Coast. So that's another plane landing. This is the path which is right next to this Half Moon Bay Bridge. And create a nice path where you can walk or you can ride your bikes. Nice paved trail now. And I don't know whether you can see the city here. Let me see if I can zoom in. This is the Foster City, right next to the bridge. And let me see if I can try to zoom in here. That's the San Francisco city, if you can see that on the other side of the bridge. That's the tallest building, Salesforce Tower. I guess this is the plane landing at the San Francisco airport. This is a view from the Half Moon Bay Bridge, just right next to the Half Moon Bay Bridge. just gonna land at the